All right, here is the vintage early 90s HPI RS4 Sport. We're gonna just test and do a quick road test. I just geared it up from 29 to 34 on the 64 pitch pinion gear. You ready? I gotta warm the tires up. Bear, get out of the road. Oh my.
Nasty drift car. Holy crap.
It's too fast. I gotta warm the tires up. It's kind of cold out. Gotta ease into the throttle. Plus my alignment is off. Let's fix the alignment. Dial in my alignment a little. There we go. Go over here. Whoa. Yeah, this thing's got, that is a 4,000 kV motor, by the way, so lots of rotation, lots of torque, which is why I knew I could gear it up. Now it's probably too fast. This is pretty slick. There's Donatello right there. It's his workshop. Bear, get out of the road. Oh man. All right, here we go. Here we go, ready? Oh yeah. Not bad. We got a little bit of heat in the tires now. Oh yeah. That was good. It's still drifting a little to the left.
There.
Get out of the road, Bear. This thing's fast, dude. Probably need rubber tires, actually. Yeah, let's get some new tires for this thing coming from A Main Hobbies, or what else we got that does HPI. Is there a car coming? There we go. Yeah, there's a little traction. Now we got some heat in the tires. Oh yeah. I'm gonna burn these tires up fast with all the power. This thing is fun. Oh, I can't make that corner now. Too silky. give it, get off the throttle a little bit. I like to drift though. Oh yeah. Yeah, this thing's fun. Dude, this thing's fun, dude. It's insane. Oh yeah. Uh-oh, what's going on? Uh-oh. Hear it? I think we're overheating. You know what that means? Yeah, we're hitting high voltage cutoff. Probably overheating a little. But it's still zipping like a zipper. Jeez Louise.
There!
Oh yeah! There we go. There's a real good corner. That was an all grip corner. Let's get it going this way. There's one. Yeah, this thing's ripped. 4,000 kV brushless. That was a car.
There. Come here. There.
Spektrum. Oh, I'm gonna hit there. My alignment still not perfect. Oh, oh! Traction flip. Good is this blacktop doesn't chew tires fast, so it's pretty smooth actually. No harm, no foul, as they say. I'm torque steering just a little. Let me dial this a little bit. road's uneven, slopes to both sides, so if you're on one side, it pulls to one side, if you're on the other, it pulls to the other. But overall, it's pretty smooth. Yeah. I don't know what that is. Heat? Am I overheating? Tell me in the comments what's going on. Maybe now that I'm geared up, I should get a motor heat sink. It's got a fan. What is that, guys? Oh, that was a good drill. Does that mean it's gonna blow up? Oh, these RS4s are dang good cars. Pretty durable. Don't drive them when it's cold. The arms are brittle. You barely flip a curve, it'll break. But yeah, they're pretty durable. Pretty reliable. Belt, all bearing. Of course. All right, let's go to the bench and read about it in the manual. Look how deep it is. Anyway, there we go. RS4. Smart battery level is what it's saying on the controller. Of course, I can manual cover. Yeah. So my controller's telling me that that's the low voltage cutoff, but it's strange because it's pretty fresh 4,000 milliamp pack. All right, there you have it. The original HPI RS4 Sport. Dusted her off, got her back into the shop. It was running very good, very smooth. You guys tell me in the comments if anyone knows. My controller was chirping at me. The lights that were saying smart battery level, is that to do with my LiPo? Most likely. I don't know, man. I only had this controller and receiver for a short time, put it directly in this car, and I'm new to brushless stuff, to be honest, and I'm putting it in everything. It's fun. It's cool stuff, but I don't know why it's chirping, so let me know. It got an upgraded servo, which is fast and awesome. 25 kilogram metal interior, and it's hollow butt. Now I'm running the old foam tires on it. This is an old car. I came with rubber. I wore them out all the way. I put these foamies on it. It drifts good. It grips a little if in the right conditions, if they're warmed up. But yeah, man. Again, I geared up from 29 to 34 teeth, and I don't know if it's chirping because it's getting hot or whatever, but let me know. It was fun. Had a good drive. So This is Donatello's Workshop at L Town Productions. We'll talk to you soon.